Hello guys, it is Stonecaster here, and this will be a weather alert for Hurricane Matthew, and I'll be talking a little bit about Hurricane Nicole. Hurricane Nicole just became a hurricane only on it today, and the way I am not liking the way the forecast is looking. And in the picture that you see, all along the west coast of Florida, tropical storm watch. Smack in the middle of Florida, tropical storm warnings, and all along the east coast of Florida, Georgia, and parts of South Carolina under a hurricane warning. And Charleston is included in the hurricane watch and possibly a hurricane warning. I have no words for this storm. What I've been hearing, this could be a catastrophic briefly landfalling hurricane somewhere on the east coast of Florida, between Jacksonville and Melbourne. They could see storm surge as high as 7 to 11 feet. Palm Beach could see 4 to 6 feet. In Miami, you guys are only expected to see 1 to 3 feet of storm surge. But still, it's still storm surge, and it's still very dangerous. I am absolutely worried for the cities of Savannah, Jacksonville, Fort Myers, and Melbourne. The probability for a power outage, pretty much for almost all of Florida, possible in the entire eastern coast of Florida. Widespread power outages, will be likely with this devastating Hurricane Matthew. If you know anybody that lives on the east coast of Florida, Georgia, and South Carolina, please give them a heads up on this devastating hurricane. These are the latest impacts that you can expect from Matthew. Major impacts to the Bahamas through this morning, which already happened. Florida impacts began this afternoon, which already happened. Hurricane watches and warnings in effect along the southeast coast. Current winds 130 miles per hour, the pressure at 939 millibars. And this what really gets me going. You notice how weird and bizarre the path that Hurricane Matthew is taking? It could briefly take a landfall between Jacksonville, Florida, and Melbourne, Florida. That's where the highest storm surge could be. The storm surge could be as high as 11 feet. Once it brushes the southeast coast of Georgia, you can expect winds at 110 miles per hour early on Saturday morning. Charleston, you guys are not expecting a major hurricane, only 90-mile-an-hour winds, but still keep a very close eye on this storm. Sunday, 70 miles per hour, Monday, 60 miles per hour. And before I head off here, I just want to talk very quickly about the path that the storm is making. Sorry about me cutting out and everything. I just want to get this out very quickly before I close this video. The weird part about Hurricane Matthew is it could make a very sharp U-turn starting on Saturday p.m. once it passes by Charleston. It could swing by and hit the Bahamas and Florida again. And before I head off here, as I said, keep those loved ones alerted and your friends alerted that live in the path of this deadly storm.